Hello. Let me pull that there. There we go. Oh, upstairs there. Right, there's been a few members who've been having problems with broken windows, etc. To try and put it into words on forums, what to look out for, you know, regarding the aluminium rails on the top, because there's two parts to a window. There's the aluminium rail that sits on top of the window, and there's the aluminium rail that attaches to the van. And what happens is the aluminium rail on the top of the window has like a hook over there like that, and the aluminium rail on the van is like this. So what happens is it goes over and clicks in, and then you get your pivot for it to open. Right, the problems that some members are having or could face is, like I did, the aluminium rail that sits on top of the window when you purchase a second-hand window might not fit this, the one that's on the van. So when purchasing one, you need really to get the aluminium rail that attaches to the van as well. If not, what you'll have to do is your old window, you'll have to try and prise the aluminium rail off and then put that onto your new window, if you understand what I mean. The videos that I've been uploading to YouTube have bits, you know, when I brought mine. So what I've done, I've compiled them all together, and it just shows you what I'm actually talking about, you know what I mean. I don't want any members to go and buy a second-hand window and then they can't get it on the rail that's on the van. That's all it's about. So this is it. Gutted. Hello. Right. Yesterday I started window, put window in. I couldn't film any of it because my hands were all shit up and, you know, with silicone and that. What it is, one of these rails, I'm going to show you anyway, there's my window, it's in. Right, one of these windows, this is the rail that goes on top of the plastic window. I'll just show you. Oh. Right, it's that one there. And what happens is it slides, so hooks. I don't know if you can see that around that there. It's a bit, sun's getting it way in it. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it goes on there and then slides on. Anyway, it's that rail we're talking about. When I got this window, it was totally different. The top rail, so it wouldn't match up to this. I rung SFM Caravans, asked if they had this top rail, and I just done a straight swap. But anyway, they didn't. I couldn't get one anywhere. Right, so I think it was Chris Hart who did it. He said silicone it, because I got a rubber piece, and could I get the window in? You have no chance. What you have to do is that slot, that groove there, a rubber seal goes in, and then the window goes in. You have no chance, no way. So what I basically did was run a bead of silicone all the way down, put the window on this bench obviously, and then literally banged it in, and then I strapped it around window, if you know what I mean, just to hold it in place, left it overnight, and there we have it, it's in. All I need now is some him. Oh, I've got some, Anna, if anybody wants any as well. It's just to get rid of it because Top Tools is shut now. I'll let it go for 40 pence a metre, but you pay postage, and obviously I can't give you postage until you tell me how much you want. Okay, right, got to mention it's 12 mil black.